We often have our contacts spread widely among many different places and directories, while using them for many different things, meaning locating the right people for the right meetings often takes quite a lot of time. With the brand new version of the search function in OnTime, this is exactly what we're trying to optimize by putting all of your contacts together in one place for a quick and easy search process. If I, for instance, was to create a new meeting and go down to the invitees, you can see that as soon as I start typing, I am presented with a list of matching contacts from many different directories. These include users from the OnTime Group Calendar, contacts from my Domino directories, my own contacts, and even external users that I have used previously in polls, which I will demonstrate later. Except for the OnTime Calendar users, I can personally choose which of the other directory sources I would like to see. This is done by going to My Settings in the top right corner and deselecting any of the directories that I don't want to see when searching. As mentioned earlier, the search function now also includes Pollarity contacts, which means that if I, for example, was to create a poll and invite an external user by the name of Chris, he will now also be included in the list of contacts as I search for invitees over here. Alternatively, I can open up the advanced search and specify what exactly I'm searching for and in which directory, which in this case would be the Pollarity contacts. And from here I can simply click to invite Chris to the meeting.